Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for pro writing. So yeah, let's go step by step. And yeah, before you start writing, we will tell for Perplexity where to look for information to ensure your sources are professional. So what you're going to do is here at the top, in the top middle, you will see Discover Finance, Health, Academic, Patents. So we will use academic. All right, so click on that. Now, what we are going to do here is, first thing what we are going to do is click on this plus icon and you can select deep research. So with that, it will research a topic, create in-depth reports, files, and apps by, yeah, but you will need to have pro version of Perplexity. All right, so you will select that. All right, so let me go back, academic. All right, now this, if you select this pro version, it will use more powerful models to ensure the logic and flow of your documents are sound good. So now the third thing is basically prompting for professional output. So let's say we will use something like persona, action, and then context prompt. So in this way, let me just copy it. So here I need to add, not that one. So it's like, act as a senior financial analyst, write a 3-paragraph executive summary regarding crypto market trends, use a formal tone, and include citation for any price prediction. So yeah, this is the prompt now, and just press send, and this AI will start doing just what we have tell him. Now, if you want, basically, if you are working on a long project like a book or series of articles, you can group related threads together. So you can set AI instruction. So how you can do that? Basically, you can just tell him right here, when you put into this, you can also always write in British English. It's more formal and so on. So this will add some extra steps for the Perplexity AI. And yeah, this is how you can use for writing. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next